What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Solana. Welcome to the channel if you're new as well. But in this video, we'll do a full analysis on Solana right now. All right, we're at a pretty crucial level. We're at the level I've been talking about for, what is it? At least days, at least the last week, I would say, which is this level, which technically is the level between 164 and 155. But 160 and 164 is what I named it the most. And I always said, like, that's really the main support level you need to keep an eye on, all right? And that's the first support level where I would say, you know, buying Solana is a good choice. And we have received a very nice bounce from there, all right? So we got a bounce of about, well, it's in terms of percentages, it's not too much, but a bounce of about 5.5%, which is for a high market cap coin like Solana quite a bit. However, I'm not convinced. All right, I still think, like, if you go to if you zoom out, this level, especially all the way down to 155, 156, is technically very strong. The problem I have with it, though, and I think most of you can agree with me on that, and I think most of you will feel the same. The problem I have is the market. All right, I think the market right now is not necessarily strong. We got one sort of fake pump, I would say, yesterday evening after the majority of the dumping had gone. But we got one sort of pump. But apart from that, it's basically been one big sell-off this entire week. All right, and it's a little bit uncertain what's causing this sell-off. You can find multiple answers, of course. All right, so some of you in the comments might say, no, it's this, no, it's that. But in the end, you never really know. All right, I can give you 4 or 5 reasons as to why we're falling as well, but you never know. And what that creates is uncertainty, all right? Uncertainty in already, like, the summer markets in crypto are already not great. And that also makes me slightly uncertain about Solana. Now, I am considering buying Solana at 157. I think, like, ultimately, I think long-term, that's a good decision. And I have a price alert there as well. So I think technically it's a strong level. The other problem I have with Solana, though, is that whereas first Solana against Bitcoin was performing very, very well, now you could make the argument that has retraced, all right? Which is, I always told you, Solana being bullish against Bitcoin is great because that kind of facilitates or that guarantees that Solana will outperform, all right? So that whether you buy Solana or not, you will win against the market either way, whether we are going up or down. And now with the uncertainty in the markets, this has, at least for now, reversed. We're at support as well, and that's another reason why I do think a buy from this area could work. I'm just not sure if it's worth it, all right? It should work. Purely technically, this level right here between 160 and 155 should provide us with some support and a move at least into like 170. And then we would still be, like, getting bullish from here is going to be tough, but getting a bounce, I do expect that, all right? If you look at all the technicals and also the fundamental strength we have seen in the past couple of weeks from Solana, I do still expect that. I'm just not sure if it's worth it to try that, all right? Because if Bitcoin continues to be weak like this and Bitcoin starts to drop down towards the 60,000s, then with this relative strength of Solana against Bitcoin, we'll get the bearish breakout either way, all right? So then your risk reward is not amazing, and you have to be very, very active, and you have to have some sort of an edge in profit taking if you want to make a profit. So yeah, in general, if the markets stay like this, I would say this is most likely. That does mean that I expect some sort of a bounce on the short term here at that level between 160 and 155. But as long as Bitcoin doesn't turn bullish, like as long as Bitcoin doesn't break above 65,000, and especially if Solana against Bitcoin remains bearish, I don't expect this bounce that I expect to turn Solana bullish, all right? So that's what I think is most likely. If you do have any questions, let me know. I will keep you updated on this as well, so make sure to subscribe if you want to be notified on that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.